What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another hair tutorial video for you guys. I found this hairstyle on KayDee TV and I just absolutely loved it, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna try it in my hair. She made it look easy enough, and I was like, okay, you know what, let me try it in my hair and let me see how it comes out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to section off my hair. I'm starting from the front, and then I'll be moving on to the back of my hair. So you're gonna need some bobby pins, and you're going to need some elastic bands. So I'm going to go ahead and section off the back with my rat tail comb, which makes it so much easier. And once I have this section, I go ahead and I detangle my hair, and then I am going to spray it with a little water just to make it lay down a little bit and not have as much frizz. There we go. I'm going ahead to put on the elastic, and what I'm going to do is when it's almost finished, I'm going to tuck my hair in, but I won't pull it all the way. I kind of stop almost to the tip, and then I'm going to take the ends of my hair and I'm going to tuck it in so that the ends isn't exposed. And then I'm just going to repeat this exact same process throughout my hair. So from here on out, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna see how I do it. I'm gonna do this exact same process all over again, except for when I reach on the top, I'm gonna just tuck it in, but you'll see. Okay, so now I have reached the top of my hair, and I'm just going ahead and detangling my hair. I'm about to lay my edges down with some Argan oil edge control, and once I do that, I am going to secure my hair with the elastic, but this one we're gonna do it slightly different. Instead of doing a fan in the back, we're actually gonna tuck it in on the sides. Going ahead and spraying it with some water, and then I am going to secure it. Then I'm going to split it in half. Brush my hair out. Then I'm just going to roll and tuck it in with the bobby pin. I'm rolling it on my finger, and then I'm going to tuck it underneath and just pin it. And then I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.